Hey guys, I didn't see you there. Look what I got. I got some more treasure. Well, some people call it garbage. But yeah, this is my new, to me, old Bobcat skid steer. It's a 743B. That's all I know. I literally just loaded this thing up and took it home. I haven't really looked at it. Yeah, we're gonna see if this thing is garbage or not. It does run, but that's about it. So yeah, let's get into it. First things first, we need to get this thing off the trailer. It's on my lovely, good condition tilt back here, or tilt deck, whatever you want to call it. You know it's good when it's already unloading itself. Oh, there you go. Let's see if it'll start. You gotta be kidding me. And the battery's just completely dead already. So that's good. I don't understand why. I don't know if the charging whirler is working. It does have a belt on it, so that's cool. Looks like it's just got like a normal, like one wire freaking alternator on it. So that's great. Use the old one sniffer. Alright guys, she is much cleaner. Still gotta go over the hose and get all the kind of remaining stuff left. Engine's all cleaned up, engine bay. All that down there was all grease and rocks and stuff. So yeah, cleaned up pretty good. I tried to get the top of the engine, some grease and stuff. Definitely a lot cleaner. But yeah, see all this stuff. I can just easily wash all that stuff with the hose. So I have to do that before. But yeah, she's looking much better. So yeah, I think she's I mean, there's some spots I missed. I'm just not noticing. Of course, when you go back and you start looking again, there's some spots, but definitely better. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely, I don't think that my glow plugs are working, or I hear the relay clicking for the glow plugs, but it's not firing. It's definitely getting fuel because I smell it. We got some white smoke. See if that runs on that. There it is, guys, after it's all cleaned up. Of course, I got the step all muddy and again. But, yeah, it's looking better, for sure. Mucho better. So, yeah. Alright, guys, that is a wrap on the old Bobcat skid steer. I just want to make a short video to show you guys what I'm up to and how you can buy some of this stuff. This cheap equipment that works and operates just fine. Yeah, it needs a lot of love to, you know, if you want to take it to like a job site or something. But as like a hobbyist, it's a perfect rig for somebody who just wants to play around with one. It needs a couple things. It needs glow plugs and it needs a seat. Just needs some maintenance. I think it would be a good rig for somebody. I would do all that work myself, but I'm trying to get some money gather up for some other projects, so it's for sale. Like this one right here, or that one. Whoa, look at the freaking sun in the background. Golly. But yeah, that'll be it for today's video, guys. Stick around for more projects. That right there needs a lot more work than this thing did. But yeah, it'll be fun, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you.